Hi, this is Karen, and I am here to show you how to create a map for your website. So first, of course, you have to have a bill sheet set up, and I'm going to use this minimum wage bill sheet that I've got. All right, so I'll open that up, and I see that I've got 1,398 bills that match my query. That's fine. So if I come over here to widgets, I can put this list of widgets, a list of bills on my website, but a list of 1,000 bills doesn't really help anybody in just one box. Of course, I could narrow it down to just a single state and then put just this list on my website. So that works great, but you can also create a map which basically makes a different widget for every state. So now if I click on Arizona, I'll see all the bills just in Arizona. So great, I've got all this different information. That's all just fine. Now, perhaps I don't want to share quite so much on my website because I'm afraid I might overwhelm the people who are coming to look at this. So I could switch to my map template. Let me test that. And now I've got a more limited list of things that I'm showing. So here I've decided to show just the bill number. I took out the state because I figured they clicked on the state. And then I've included my own comments so that I can put the information that I want people to know about the bill here. But that's a nice compact set of data. So you can completely customize your map to decide what columns you want. And again, the way you decide your columns is up here under Manage Bill Templates. And if you haven't done that before, it's pretty easy. You can play around with it, but I'll also put a link to another tutorial about templates in the description of this video. All right, so the other thing you can do, kind of the more fun part, is choosing the colors. So the color coding is based on how many bills are in that state. So Colorado has 3, all the way up to Minnesota has 100, and Illinois has 134. So that's what the heat map part of it is. So of course, if you have standard colors for your website, that's fine. You can just put the number right in there for your colors, or you can just choose them from the wheel like I am. And I'm gonna pick a nice bright blue for my link. And if I test that, I get this, which hopefully will look great on my website. And of course, if I click on a state, you can see the bills. This is the link color. So you want to make sure that color pops so that people realize that they can click and go see more information about the bill. All right, so that's the color coding and the template choice. And then the position indicator is whether you want to add in a little flag showing whether you support or oppose a bill. And if you choose to do that, it'll be right here at the beginning. It'll be a little red bar or a little green bar, and you can choose to highlight just the bills that you want. And that is done by adding the position to your template and then choosing what your position is for the bills that you want to highlight. All right, once you do that and you've got everything set up like you want, you say generate script. And then this little bit of code is what you want to paste on your website, wherever it is you want your map to go. Do note that this width here is set to 100%, so that makes the map responsive, and it'll fill up whatever container you put it in, so wherever you've put it on your page. If you would like to have that be a fixed size instead, then instead of saying 100%, you could say perhaps 600px. And so that is the label you're going to want to use if you want it to be a fixed width. Otherwise, just leave it as 100% and it'll be responsive so that whatever device people are coming to your website using, it'll fill up whatever space they've got available. All right, so that is hopefully enough to get you started. I'm excited to see what you build. All right, thanks. Bye.